like this. I want to add those two colors.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genius Coders. So in this video we will see how to use linear gradient in our JavaFX CSS. So let's start. So let's first see some documentation related to linear gradient on Oracle sites. Later you can read this. There are lot of information available, like how to use the linear gradient. Okay, but we don't waste our time in here. Just see how we can apply linear gradient in our application. So I have small design here, one anchor pen here, and the style.css. So first of all, add the style.css to anchor pane. Okay, then just add the fx id. Okay, I have already added the fx id, or you can use the default class name. Okay, so let's open this style.css. I'm using Notepad. It's a simple, easy to use now. Okay, so first of all we have to mention here the id, this id, anchor. You can do any id if you want. Okay, so for using linear gradient we have to just use fx background color, and here we have to just mention linear gradient. Okay, so here we have to mention more than one colors. So you can use 2 colors, 3 colors, but here I am using 2 colors. First of all, first color is a light and second is a dark. So just look at FF3366 and comma. This is our first color. It is a light pink, and next color is BA265D, and save this. Okay, what's going on here? Save. Okay, so you can see here the linear gradient is applied. So you can see here on the top it is a light pink, and top to bottom here you can see here that it is a dark part. So I want to change the flow of this linear gradient. Means I don't want to the top to bottom. I want the right to bottom, top to bottom, left to bottom. Okay, so like this. So how we can do this? So let's see. So I want to flow of this gradient goes to right to bottom and comma, and save this. Okay, you can see here the changes are applied right to bottom. Let's see, I want to left to bottom. Okay, so you can see here it is the light pink, our first color. It is from left to bottom, Okay, likewise if you want to only the from left, not the second direction, you want only to left, you can set to the left. You can see here it's left, only left, not bottom. Okay, likewise right, this is from right, this is a light pink, and right to right, only to right, not to right bottom. If you say right to bottom, you can see here it change the flow, it change the direction like this. Here's the bottom size, you can see here the difference. Okay, so this way you can add the direction or two colors. So let's now change the color. Second light color FFB900 and FF7730. Okay, so it is a orange. First is a light orange and second is a dark orange. So when you want to apply this linear gradient, just choose this first of all. First think about the colors, which color you want. If take example like if you want to red color, then first choose the light red and then choose the dark red. So here I have light orange and dark orange. Okay, you can see here to right top, you can see here top. Okay, so now I want to this first light color 0.
Okay, so it's a light and dark. So we have given here the right to top, so right to top. Okay, so there is another cool thing. We can set the percentage, means like it is 100%. This is 100%. So I want to first color is only 50%, 0% to 50%, and second color from only 50%. Okay, so I want to divide this two part, light color from here and dark color from here. So let's see how we can do that. 0%, comma, so let's copy this, and 50%, and I want also 50%. Okay, so you can see here our first light color is 50%, 0 to 50%, and our second color is 50%. So it's divided in 2. Okay, so you can change the direction also like this. Okay, so using this you can do cool things, like I want this okay, so transparent, or you can set here your image, so it's look cool effect. Okay, hope you understand what I want to say that. Okay, so likewise we have used the color code here. Instead of color code we can use also we can use the RGB color. I will show you with some example. First take the one pen. Okay, give it the ID, so anything you want to give. Okay, then let's first add the background image for this effects. Background image URL, and I have one image. This image I want to add as a background. So in double quotes, so hero.jpg, jpg, and also set the screen background size, cover, so it will fit the our pane. And next, so here it is our background color, but if you try to add some components, like I want to add the button here, it's not visible that much. So I want to add here some layer of black so it's visible. Okay, so let's add the layer in pane. Okay, so gradient, then RGBA 0, 0, 0, comma. So now here we have to add the opacity. I want 0.5. I will tell you later. To that 0, 0, 0, 0.5, and say we can see here we have added one black layer, not black that much. You can set the 9. You can see. Okay, so from that side it will add more darkness. Okay, you can say 2. Okay, so now our component will be visible now. So you can use this trick also if you want to add some cool effect. So let's add linear gradient color on our button component. Okay, button, and add here pen. Okay, so let's add another. So let's add another cool effect. #2998 FF #5643 FA. So this is the blue color, and like this, it is a first light of blue and it is a dark. You can set the direction, right, top, left. Okay, so you can change, you can see the changes. So let's add here another gradient has 55C57A. Oh, 7ED56. Yep. And next 28B485. Okay. What's wrong? Okay, oh, I forgot that. You can see here we have applied the gradient for anchor pane and also for button. So this is a basic of linear gradient, right, left, top, bottom. Okay, you can add the multiple colors also, like I want to add here. Okay, so more than one color you can add here. Like this, I want to add those two colors here. Okay, so you can see here light green, dark green, light blue and dark blue. And also you can set the direction, right to top, comma. Okay, so okay, it's look like weird now. Okay, just adds another color for button. Yep, 77330 and light P900. We can see here we have applied 4 colors for anchor pane using linear gradient and 2 colors for button. I'll just add here text field white. Okay. Now it looks good now. So that's it guys in this video. It is a small video about the linear gradient, how we can use this cool effect or add this linear gradient as a background for our application. It's really cool, and I will provide this color codes in description, so check out that description also. Okay, so see you in next video.